Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program to print the odd numbers in a range given by the user. So given the starting and ending range, so you have to print the odd numbers. So let's use two variables, that is s to start, that is get the starting value. So let's use a input function called to ask a user to enter starting range. Yeah, so once the user enters, so let's convert this to a integer type. It will be of a string. So let's convert it. So once we are done getting the starting range, so let's take E, that is the ending, that is end range. So let's use again input function call and let's say enter end range. Yeah, again let's convert this given string to a integer type using the type conversion. So once we are done, so what we do is we try to use the while loop, or you can also use the for loop. So let's use a for loop for index. So let's take a range that is starting from the starting to ending plus 1. So let's use a range and let's give parameters. So let s comma e plus 1. So we are trying to add inclusive value. So from starting range to the ending range. So what we do is we try to check if index, so we get a range over here. So if index mod 2 equals to 1. So this will give us the odd numbers from, that is whatever the range. So if index is an odd number, so let us try to print the index value comma end equals to, let's print side by side. So before this, so let's try to use a print function to print a user friendly message. That is, let's say something. Let's say odd numbers from, let's give s to e, let's give dot dot dot. Yeah, so this is just a user friendly message and this is a code to print the odd numbers starting from the, that is starting range to ending range. So let me execute this. So enter the starting range. So let's give 3 and ending ranges up to 20. So you can see odd numbers from 3 up to 20 are, so these are the odd numbers that it has printed. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program. So let me know if you need a while loop version of this given program. So I'll give this code in the description. So that's all I had in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.